If you could, please stand, place your hand over your heart, and we'll start the pledge. To the flag of the United States of America,
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
will you please remain standing for the Texas Pledge?
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
And would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. Be this at home, on the bus, or during the school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please find the trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. All right, friends, so it's Monday, so let's do our Monday meditation. Let's make sure that our feet are as close to the ground as possible and that we're comfortable in our seats. Hands on our knees. All right, close your eyes and we're going to take in one deep breath. So take it in. And in through the nose and out through your mouth. Great. Let's do that one more time. In through your nose and out through your mouth. All right, now this time, when you take in your deep breath, I want you to think of all the Monday things that you want to get done this week. So think about all the good things that you have going on this week. Take in your deep breath. And let it go. All right. We do have one happy birthday in the house. Happy birthday to Michael Sosa in 5th grade. We have a couple of announcements. Today is our Blue Monday. Tomorrow is Reindeer Tuesday. So if you have some reindeer ears, a shirt with a reindeer, maybe you have a mask with a reindeer, maybe today you're going to go home and get out some pipe cleaners and make your own reindeer ears. Whatever you want to do, or you can also make it with paper, with brown construction paper, make your own reindeer ears. But tomorrow is Reindeer Tuesday. We are still a No Place for Hate campus. Our character education theme for the month of December are honesty and integrity. According to famous author Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, it takes less time to do a thing right than to explain why you did it wrong. Are you showing your integrity by doing things the right way? All right, so something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours, and we hope that today, tomorrow, and every day you choose to make it a great day.